trigonometry questions appear on every single SAT. The good news, you only need to know 3 ratios. Let's nail them. In any right triangle, you have 3 sides relative to an angle. The opposite side across from the angle, the adjacent side next to it, and the hypotenuse, the longest side. SOH, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. TOA, tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Memorize this. Tattoo it on your brain. Easy example. A right triangle has legs 3 and 4, hypotenuse 5. Sine of the angle opposite the 3 side equals 3 over 5, or 0.6. Cosine equals 4 over 5, or 0.8. Tangent equals 3 over 4, or 0.75. Medium example, a 20-foot ladder leans against a wall, making a 60-degree angle with the ground. How high up the wall does it reach? The wall is opposite the 60-degree angle. The ladder is the hypotenuse. Sine 60 equals opposite over 20. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2, approximately 0.866. So the height equals 20 times 0.866, which is about 17.3 feet. Hard example, if sine of angle A equals 5 over 13, what is cosine of angle A? Use the identity. Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. 5 over 13 squared equals 25 over 169. So cosine squared equals 144 over 169. Cosine equals 12 over 13. Now the most powerful is that tip for trig. Sine of x degrees always equals cosine of 90 minus x degrees. So if the SAT tells you sine of 23 is 0.39, and then asks for cosine of 67, the answer is also 0.39, because 23 plus 67 equals 90. This function identity saves you from calculating anything. Common mistake. Confusing which side is opposite and which is adjacent. Remember, opposite and adjacent change depending on which angle you're looking at. Always label your triangle first. Recap, SOH CAH TOA. The Pythagorean identity for when you know one ratio and need another. And the cofunction identity? Sine of x equals cosine of 90 minus x. 3 tools, that's all you need. Practice more on NovaMaths.